KOKAN HWD 355 is a high-clearance tractor designed specifically for tree nurseries. Its powerful Kubota engine and hydrostatic transmission provide smooth and efficient operation, while its high clearance allows for easy navigation between rows of trees and shrubs. The three-point hitch system enables the attachment of various implements like cultivators, weeders, and sprayers, making it a versatile tool for diverse nursery tasks. With its robust build and reliable performance, the HWD 355 is a popular choice for nursery operators. The Hoover Crab is a specialized harvesting machine designed to efficiently and precisely harvest lettuce for processing. Its advanced aspiration system effectively removes debris and unwanted leaves, ensuring a clean and high-quality harvest. The side-shifting cutting bar allows for precise cutting, minimizing damage to the lettuce heads. The forward-moving system, controlled by the operator, optimizes harvesting conditions. The Hoover Crab's compact design enables maneuverability in various field conditions, making it a valuable tool for farmers seeking increased efficiency and high-quality lettuce yields. This machine significantly improves the overall harvesting process, reducing labor costs and maximizing productivity. The DresstaChannel TD25 Series 2 is a powerful and versatile crawler dozer designed for heavy-duty applications. With a class-leading drawbar pull of 794 kN, it delivers exceptional pushing power and productivity. The two-speed steering drive ensures efficient and powerful turns even with full loads. The spacious and ergonomically designed cab prioritizes operator comfort and safety, offering excellent visibility and intuitive controls. The advanced hydraulic system provides precise blade control and efficient operation. Built with durable components and robust construction, the TD25 Series 2 is designed for long-term reliability and minimal downtime. Combining raw power, advanced technology, and operator comfort, the TD25 Series 2 is a formidable machine capable of tackling the toughest jobs with ease and efficiency, making it an invaluable asset for any demanding. The AGROBOT E-Series is a revolutionary robotic strawberry harvest, designed to revolutionize the agricultural industry. This innovative machine autonomously navigates through strawberry fields, identifying and harvesting ripe berries with precision. Equipped with a sophisticated vision system, the AGROBOT accurately assesses fruit ripeness, ensuring only the perfect berries are picked. Its gentle harvesting process minimizes damage to the fruit, preserving quality and maximizing yield. By automating the labor-intensive task of strawberry harvesting, the AGROBOT reduces reliance on manual labor, increases efficiency, and improves overall productivity. This groundbreaking technology is poised to transform the future of agriculture, offering a sustainable and efficient solution to the challenges faced by the industry, ultimately leading to higher quality produce and increased profitability for farmers. The KOKAN 600T is a self-propelled rear-load harvester designed to revolutionize berry harvesting. Utilizing advanced air harvesting technology, it efficiently halves blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and other soft fruits with minimal damage. With a high productivity rate of up to 2,000 kg per hour and the ability to cover up to 8 hectares per day, the 600T significantly boosts efficiency. Its versatile design allows it to operate in various conditions, including different plant types, terrains, and weather conditions. The machine's gentle harvesting process ensures the highest quality of harvested fruit, making it ideal for both fresh market and processing applications. By automating the harvesting process and minimizing labor requirements, the 600T contributes to increased profitability and sustainability in berry farming, ultimately leading to a higher quality berry harvest. The BERKYmedia Combi 5200 is an innovative machine designed to efficiently maintain waterways and green spaces. It combines a front-mounted double-blade mowing unit with a rear-mounted clearing rake, allowing for simultaneous cutting and removal of vegetation. This combination offers an environmentally friendly alternative to mulching, as the cut material is collected and removed, preventing nutrient loss and promoting healthy ecosystem development. The 5200 is compatible with a wide range of tractors and can be quickly disassembled, making it a versatile tool for various maintenance tasks. By optimizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impact, the BERKYmedia Combi 5200 is a valuable asset for landscape management and waterway maintenance. This machine helps to create and maintain well-groomed and eco-friendly environments, contributing to a more sustainable and beautiful landscape. The Imants 38 FSX is a versatile and efficient tool carrier designed for tillage and seedbed preparation. This innovative machine is capable of performing multiple tasks in a single pass, significantly increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. The 38 FSX can be equipped with a variety of attachments, such as power harrows, seed drills, and cultivators, allowing for customized configurations to suit specific field conditions and crop requirements. With its impressive working width and high-performance capabilities, the Imants 38 FSX is a valuable tool for farmers and contractors seeking to optimize their operations and achieve exceptional results. This machine offers a high level of precision and efficiency, ensuring optimal seedbed preparation and maximizing crop yields, while also reducing the environmental impact of agricultural practices, promoting sustainable farming methods, and contributing to more productive agricultural ecosystem. The Imants 38 FSX is a versatile and efficient tool carrier designed for tillage and seedbed preparation. This innovative machine is capable of performing multiple tasks in a single pass, significantly increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. The 38 FSX can be equipped with a variety of attachments, such as power harrows, seed drills, and cultivators, allowing for customized configurations to suit specific field conditions and crop requirements. With its impressive working width and high-performance capabilities, the Imants 38 FSX is a valuable tool for farmers and contractors seeking to optimize their operations and achieve exceptional results. This machine offers a high level of precision and efficiency, ensuring optimal seedbed preparation and maximizing crop yields, while also reducing the environmental impact of agricultural practices, promoting sustainable farming methods, and contributing to more productive agricultural ecosystem. The HANSUNG 4000 VI Ultra Air Sprayer is a powerful and efficient machine designed for large-scale agricultural applications. It utilizes a high-performance axial power to generate a strong airflow, ensuring optimal coverage and penetration of crops. This sprayer is equipped with a large capacity tank, allowing for extended operation without frequent refilling. The 4000 VI is highly versatile and can be used for a variety of crops, including rice, fruit trees, and vineyards. Its advanced technology and robust construction make it a reliable and efficient solution for farmers and agricultural professionals. The 4000 VI helps to improve crop quality, reduce pesticide usage, and increase overall agricultural productivity, while also minimizing environmental impact and promoting sustainable farming practices. This innovative machine empowers farmers to achieve optimal crop yields and protect their crops from pests and diseases.